I think PNC is such a cool business to get into for millennials, especially, and this is the mindset that I kind of came at it from when I got into the business, was reverse engineering kind of what you want your life to look like. And the agency that we're building here is a fully remote agency where people can live and work from anywhere. It doesn't matter if you're at a coffee shop, if you're skiing in Utah, or if you're outside of the country. I mean, we specialize in Florida, but the PNC business is so cool because eventually it's a book of business that you're building that renews every 6 months on a lot of auto insurance policies, or every 12 months on most other policies where you get paid on. So if people are willing to put in the work for 3 to 5 years, you can really build something that's exciting and awesome and something that can set your family up for the future. So I see people kind of chasing after these, like, hey, I want to make a lot of money now. I want to make 6 figures now. But if you can just wait and build something slowly over time that's a snowball, it's such an amazing business for millennials to get into because you can really set yourself up well for the future. If you're 25 and you jump in and start selling home and auto insurance policies, and 5 years later, now you've got a $2 to $3 million book of business, it's a significant amount of I don't want to say passive because there's customer service with it, but a significant amount of residual income that specific individual can build. It's cool, and there's problem solving with it. Every challenge is different. Every client is different with past loss histories and different vehicles and different types of roofs. There's so many different things to learn that I found it extremely interesting because there's so many different facets of the business to learn and get good at. It's such a good business because over time, like, that residual income based on the size of your book of business can be significant. I don't know, I've just found it to be a stimulating industry to be in because once you've built that book of business, the quality of life is good and it's a remote. You can live your life. We can automate a lot of customer service and the prospecting and other things that I've just found it to be like an interesting challenge and a fun journey to build. I think a lot of millennials, pass over because they think, oh, it's boring, but it's not. These problems are hard to solve and you're really providing an awesome service for people's greatest asset, which is their home. I hope that more millennials will join into it and say, okay, cool, this is what I want my life to look like in 10, 15, 20 years from now. If I put in the hard work now, I can really set myself up later.